Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Mrs. Amalia is lecturer in Class B Conversation Courses. Introduction. My name is Sylvia Maharamadri. We study number 210010004 and 6. Here, I will present the result of my journal review entitled The Effect of Exchange Rates, Inflation, Capital, and Labor Force in Economic Growth in Indonesia. Here, I have an outline of what will be discussed in my presentation, including introduction, research purpose, research method, result and discussion, and conclusion. Introduction. Economic growth is a picture of the state of the country economy. Said to grow is there is an increase in the real GDP of the country. One important indicator for analysis a country economy is inflation, particularly with regard to the poor impact on aggregate macroeconomic variables such as economic growth. In 2008, there are three main factors in economic growth, namely the accumulation of capital through all type of investment, population growth that will increase the amount of labor and technological improvement to the road 2000. According to Douglas, output economic growth is a proportional share of capital and labor, meaning that if capital and labor increase, the output also increase. Mankiw, 2009. Research purpose. The study aimed to analyze the influence of exchange rates, inflation, capital, and labor force on economic growth in Indonesia. The data is studied as secondary data come from the Center Bureau of Statistics and Bank Indonesia, which include data of the rupiah exchange rates against the dollar, inflation, gross domestic reserve capital formation, and labor rate. Analysis of this research based on the Cobb-Douglas prediction function by using the ordinary least square method (OLS) recursively. Research method. Method of the data analysis. Analysis on the research based on the Cobb-Douglas prediction function, where economic growth or the output is a function of technology, capital, and labor. Cobb-Douglas prediction function has constant research scale. If capital and labor increase in the same proportion, then the output is increasing according to the same proportion. Mankiw, 2009. From the equation, it is known that delta between 0 and 1, the increase in the amount of capital increases the MPL and reduces the MPK, while the increase in the amount of labor reduces the MPL and increases the MPK. Therefore, the development of technology that increase the parameter and to make both medicinal production factor of precision research proportionally. Result and discussion. The influence of the exchange rate of the rupiah against inflationary and interest rates. The recursive equation that shows the inflation of the exchange rate of the rupiah against inflationary and interest rates. That is, I equals flash delta, where it will be done test your assumption and hypothesis test. Inflation of interest rate on capital. The following recursive equations show the inflation of interest rate against capital, where the interest rate is derived from the estimate value in the first equation above. K equals I flash delta, where classic assumption, the assumption test and hypothesis test will be performed. Conclusion. This is the result of research and discussion that has been described. It can be concluded that 1. The rupiah exchange rate has a significant and negative effect on the SPI interest rate. Meaning that if there is appreciation of the rupiah exchange rate, then there will be an increase in the interest rate of SPI, the exchange rates of rupiah, and significant negative effect against the SPI interest rate. Meaning that if the appreciation of the rupiah exchange rate will then increase in SPI rates. 2. Inflation has a significant positive effect on the SBR rate. Thus, if inflation increases, the SBR interest rate will increase also. 3. The rupee exchange rate and inflation recursively drop in the preceded interest rate of SBR have a significant negative effect on capital. This means that according to the theory of marginal efficiency of capital, interest rates and capital have a negative relationship. Okay, that's all. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.